Tired of watching your Bybit trades unexpectedly tank? Let's lock in profits and minimize losses by setting a limit stop loss order. First, navigate to the Bybit trading interface for the specific cryptocurrency or contract you're trading. Ensure you're on the order placement panel, typically located on the right side of your screen. Next, choose the limit order type. If you are not already there, limit orders allow you to set the specific price you want your order to execute at. Now, locate the stop loss section on Bybit. This might be labeled as a trigger price or stop price. This is the price at which your limit order will be activated. Enter your desired trigger price. This should be slightly below the current market price. If you are in a long position, then enter your limit price. This is the price you want your order to execute at. Once it's triggered, the limit price should be below the trigger price. Next, input the quantity of your asset that you want to sell. When the stop loss is triggered, you can use percentages for convenience, such as 50% or 100%. Review all the details of your limit stop loss order carefully: the trigger price, the limit price, and the quantity. Once you're satisfied, click the Place Order button. A confirmation window will appear, showing all the order details and confirming that your limit stop loss order has been successfully placed. You can view and manage all of your open orders in the Orders tab. Now you can trade with greater peace of mind.